Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the CycleKart workshop working on the club cart. Okay guys, so we're at Dennis Thomas's workshop and he had a great day the last couple of days building this cardboard buck to create the body shape off of. We're going to convert all this to aluminum panels, and the tail section will get a fiberglass top on it, and the nose will be fiberglass, but everything else will be aluminum. We're going to shape some metal structures. Sorry. Right here we're going to make a metal structure around the seat hoop and for the dash hoop, and that'll give us something to get in and out of the car on and hang all the aluminum on. So this is really looking like the inspiration card. What I'll do is I made a template of the seat back, and I'm going to bend this in 1/2-inch tubing on this tubing bender. Then mark the center of this piece of steel, and I'm putting a hash mark every 1 inch in green. I'm going to come back in and do a hash mark every 1/2 inch in a different color. So as I go through here, I can keep track of where I'm bending and try to get this shape to match up with that. So that's the idea there. Okay, so the process that Steven put these through, he bent this 50 thousandths aluminum on the bender outside and then the shrinker stretcher right here. And we worked out a pattern to where the first part of it was a shrink every 2 inches. And as this radius increases, he went every 1 inch. And made 2 bottom pieces and 2 top pieces, and these fit right on here. And these are going to give us the structure for the aluminum tail, and then also for the fiberglass body to fit on top of. So we're going to do some desiccing and riveting to put these together, and so this will create a nice lightweight structure for this tail section. So this is profile we need for the Salmson. So that's coming together pretty well. And I've been in the garage building the metal hoop for the seat front and the cowl, and so we'll get those going next. So this is turning out pretty good. The Salmson's come together. Okay, so while the guys are inside working on the shrinker stretcher, making the aluminum parts, I've been out in the garage, in the other part of the garage with the bending tool, making the seat support. This goes behind the seat. And the dash cowl support, which is right here. So we made a template or a cardboard version of that, so that lines up with that. This is one that Dennis made yesterday. We took it out of the car and laid this right on it. And it is pretty close. I mean, it's a tiny bit off here and there, right here. But this is a design template, so the reality of it is going to be this shape. The aluminum will rivet to that. The cardboard is really there to get it so it works out. And kind of the cool thing is the cardboard templates, if you were to look at them, the radius here are the same on both. There's a different width here because they're different widths, right? So the seat area is about 1.5 inches wider than the cowl because the frame moves at an angle. It has an angle in it. So they're symmetrical. In other words, the front and the back mirror each other, just slightly different sizes, but the radiuses are the same. So we're converting these cardboard templates to steel and aluminum. This is going to be fun. This is looking really good. So we'll get to next phase. Will be mount these in the car temporarily with some clamps, and then we'll put the door parts in a similar fashion. Okay, so we're back in the air conditioning area. So we put the cardboard template back where it was. We had these index marks on the frame where this belongs. I put the hoop in place, and so it fits right in there, just right. And nice snug fit. So the same thing with the seat support. We can now take the seat support out of the cardboard piece, put that in there. Now we're going to put the cardboard door templates back on and make this piece here come together.
So I'll have to tweak this tab a little bit to get it to lay flat, and then we'll put a couple screws in it. We'll clean up the weld, do the same thing over there.
Okay, so we've been at it this most of the day now. We got the hoops installed and bolted in, and we've got these call them armrest bars, bent. So we bent them in 2 angles, basically this way, and then it had to curve a little bit because the body curves in at the tops. So we got that done. We're ready to go take it in the other shop and tack weld it. So we're working to get this parallel with the inside of the frame, because that's where these bars are at. And the curvature of this dash makes it so that this sticks out a little bit. But the good news is we cut that off with a grinding wheel and we fill it back in so that the body won't be proud here. Otherwise, if you put the body on like this, it'll have a high spot. If you high or low, it's a compromise. You got to find a way to make it. Because you got the metal going in 2 directions. You got it curving this way and that way.
By the time we're done, it'll be smooth.
You're looking at this saying, hey, you guys are terrible at what you do. This is going to get cut away after it's welded and smooth, so that the body lines will be flush. That's the point.
We probably should have had these lower before the curve started, but you know.
It's actually, yeah, it's going to be good.
By the time we're done, it'll look fine.
Okay, so that's the end of build day number 2. So Dennis did a little work yesterday and built all the body panels out of cardboard. Gave us templates to build all these metal hoops. We got them all bent and welded in place. So now we're ready to start hanging other parts on it. Body panels, the rear chair section, which you've already started on. So we're going to call that the end of this build day. And be sure to like and subscribe. Check out Dennis's build video. I'll put a link in the description for how he built the cardboard templates. If you don't already subscribe to Dennis's channel, please do so. Please subscribe to my channel. Also check out our Amazon shop and our also Etsy page for t-shirts. We really appreciate your support. And if you guys want to donate some money to this cause, we're still about $1,400 in cost that we've had to pay to buy materials and parts and all that sort of stuff, in addition to all the parts you've already generously donated. So if you guys want to kick out some money to us, we appreciate it. Let me know. There's lots of ways to do that. So thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Get out in the garage and build something cool.